Hello guys, welcome back. In this lecture, we will see how we can change or alter a Postgres user password using SQL query. However, we already know how to set the password for a Postgres user, and we tried this in the second lecture of this series. But in this lecture, we will do this using a SQL query. So let's try this. First, go to the terminal and open the Postgres console. So switch to the terminal first, and here you need to open the Postgres console. So write sudo -u and then Postgres PSQL. Okay, and provide the password here. Okay, now we need to select the user first that we want to change the password for. Okay, so in the last lecture we learned how we can list the users from the Postgres. So run the command /du. Okay, so here you can see that I have 4 users. Okay, and I can select any of the user to alter the password using SQL query. So for example, let me select this Ravi PG. Okay, and then what I will do, that I just need to run a query, that is alter user. Okay, and then username, you need to provide your username here. Since I want to change the password for Ravi PG, so I will provide Ravi PG here. Okay, and then you need to use with password. Okay, and then you need to provide a new password here. Okay, so for example, let's say new password. Okay, new password. Okay, and make sure to enter the to add the semicolon after the query. Okay, and when you hit the enter, you will see that it is returning you the alter role, and it means that the password for this user has been changed. Okay, now you can do the simple task using command line as well. Okay, so first exit from the Postgres console, and in the terminal you need to write a command. So first exit from the console, and here what you need to do, that you need to write this command sudo -new Postgres PSQL, and then you need to mention the command here, that is -c. Okay, and in the double quotes you need to write alter user, and then your username here again, just the same as you provided this query here. Okay, so your username, let's say Ravi -pg. Okay, or let me change this for the different users, Postgres. Okay, so Ravi -Postgres, and then you need to use password with password. Okay, and here you need to provide the password for this user. So for example, you can provide new password. Okay, and then just add a semicolon here, and then now what you need to do, you just need to hit the enter here. Okay, and here you can see that it is again showing you the alter role. That means the password for this user has been changed through the command line as well. Okay, and that's it. So in this lecture we learn how to change the user password using SQL query. Try this lecture at your end, and in the next lecture we will start working with the databases. Okay, so thanks for watching this, and let's meet into the next lecture. Till then, tata, goodbye, take care, and stay safe.